I still have to eventually, like, finish my pro knife only run. But I'm stuck on Salazar, if you remember. Just never got around to it. Why did she target on the random things? Take a bomb to the face, bitch. Oh my god. Now this is thrilling, isn't it? He doesn't care about the bombs.
You lose.
What, dude? How do I lose? How do I lose? I threw like 20 grenades in his face. Oh, whatever, dude.